All right, Alan wants to put a fence around his rectangular garden. His garden measures 24 by 28 feet. I can drag out a little, I can drag out a little square shape here and pick a good color for this. So let's just use yellow, I guess. His rectangle, if we label it, his rectangular garden is 24 by, actually I'm going to write it on the inside, 24 by 28, okay? And now, the garden has a path around it that is 3 feet wide, okay? The garden path is 3 feet wide. I'm not sure if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this with another color that's better. Okay. Yeah, so that'll cover it up. So give me a second to re-sketch this so that we can have a gray box around it. Hang on just a second. Okay, there you go. So the gray part is the path. It says Alan wants to put a fence around his rectangular garden. His garden measures 24 by 28. That's yellow. And then the garden has a path around it that's 3 feet wide. And that's the gray part. So if this right here, let me see. Okay, if this right here is 24 from there to there, you're going to have another 3 feet running from there to there, and another 3 feet running from there to there. So what's the total length along this side? Well, it's going to be 24 plus that 3 plus that 3, for a total of that length is going to be 30 total. Okay? Now, in this direction, this is, oops, this is 28, the green direction. Okay, now you're going to have the path, since it's 3 feet everywhere, it's going to be 3 feet there, 3 feet there, additional on top of the 28. So if that was another 3 that direction, that was another 3 in that direction, then what would that whole direction be in blue in this direction? Well, it would be our 28 plus this extra 3 plus this extra 3. What's 28 plus 3? 31. Plus this 3, 34. So that whole thing would be 34. That whole distance around. Now, what he was putting fencing around it. So what's he going to do? He's going to put something that starts here, goes 34 feet, 30 feet, 34 feet, 30 feet back again. He's finding the perimeter of this thing, right? Because he's putting a fence around it. So 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 30. And we can just do that math over on the side. 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 30. And you get 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 128 feet of fencing that this fella Alan needs to put around this thing. And so really the trick is this. You've got the garden space, and you've got to think, if there's an extra 3 feet on either side, that's a total of 6 feet of additional width around this thing, right? 3 feet, then you've got the garden, then the other 3 feet for the path. So you're adding 6 feet onto, in this case, the 28. 28 plus 6 is the 34. And you're doing the same thing in this direction. The garden itself is 24, so you've got 3 feet for the path, then 24 feet for the garden, and then another 3 feet for the path again. That makes this 30 feet. So it's 34 by 30, and since you're doing perimeter, you're summing up all of the sides. 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 30, that surrounds the whole thing. 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 30 is 128, and that's what he needs. That's why I wrote, making a sketch of this is helpful. I wrote that in there.